Hello, and welcome to Aiken Pre-1 Practice. Today, we'll focus on the interview. First, let's review what you'll have to do. We will start from the body of the interview, so please make sure to review the entrance procedures. The first part of the interview will be telling a story. You will be handed a card. It looks like this. Please note that you have 1 minute to prepare. This means that you will need to understand the story situation and think quickly about what to say. This is a skill that takes practice. The next sentence is the topic. It will give you the setting for your story. For example, this is a story about a married couple who moved into a large new condominium. Notice that you have 2 minutes to narrate the story. This means that you will have to speak smoothly and at a good pace. The next part gives you the starting sentence. For example, one day, a married couple was in their small, old apartment. You must start your story with the sentence written here. Now, let's look at the pictures. The story always has 4 panels. You need to talk about them in order. There are many parts to consider when telling your story. You should look at the following. Speech bubbles. You should always include these in your story. To do so, you can use reported speech, such as, "The woman said, we should move to a larger place." You should also include any other written descriptions. These often guide the timing of the story, as they do here. They will help you to transition between panels. Other text can also be important. It can help give your story context, so pay attention to it. You will likely be able to use it in your story. Next, we need to look a little deeper into our story. You will need to practice your inferring skills. The main difference between the Pre-1 level and easier levels is that in this level, you are expected to include much more information. To do this, you need to make guesses about the situation. One of the main things to focus on is the characters' emotions. Look at their faces. How do they look? How do you think they feel? There's nothing wrong with using words like happy and sad. However, it's a good idea to build your vocabulary to include a wide variety of emotions. Instead of happy and sad, try words like excited, thrilled, pleased, concerned, frustrated, and the like. Next, think about why the characters feel that way. What is the reason for their emotion? In addition, pay attention to the small details in the pictures, such as lines and sparkles. They will give you hints about the situation. We'll review these in another video. Are you ready to try telling a story? Check out my story sample videos for some practice. Thanks, everyone.